Hello, Avon parents. My name is Mike Tokarczyk, and I'm here to tell you a little bit about myself and the classes that I teach here at Avon High School. This video is going to focus on broadcast journalism and media production. Along with these two classes, I also teach Language Arts 9, and I'm the yearbook advisor. I'm also the freshman boys basketball coach here at the high school. Here at Avon High School, I'm in my 19th year of teaching. I'm an Avon resident, and I have two children who attend school in the Avon Local School District. Starting with my media classes, let's first look at media production. Media production is a hands-on class. It is an introductory level class where students learn the basics of filming and editing video projects. They use their phones and they film projects while they're here in class, and then they bring their video back here to the lab to edit. As this is a hands-on class, there's very little, if any, homework to be assigned, unless, of course, a student decides to film or edit at home. The three major concepts of this class are the production process, working hands-on with various forms of technology, and using our creativity to tell a story and make our video projects come to life. The other media-based class is broadcast journalism. Students in broadcast journalism are members of the Eagle News Network. We call ourselves ENN, and we are responsible for planning, filming, editing, and broadcasting our daily news and announcements. Our target audience is Avon students, staff, parents, and community members. And our goal is to inform our target audience and give them an inside look to what happens here at Avon High School. The major content and concepts that we focus on are personal communication, working hands-on with various forms of technology, creativity, and being the faces and the voices of Avon High School news and announcements. If you have any questions about broadcast journalism or media production, please feel free to reach out. My email address is at the bottom of the screen. Take care and have a great day.